First, I switched the site language to English in the header. The trial is 3 days free, requires no card, opens all models, and comes with a pro-level limit. The models have clear roles. Luna is the most economical, Sol is the flagship. Code focuses on refactoring and tests, and Opus is the strongest. The free plan includes 2 million input and 1 million output tokens a week. Pro includes 20 million input and 10 million output tokens. The documentation explains account keys, provider configuration, model selection, and third-party clients. A key is shown once after creation, so copy it immediately. The application programming interface is compatible with OpenAI. Use the same address and key with Klein, Continue, Cursor, Aider, Z, or another compatible client. The terminal agent works with your files. It reads the project, edits files, runs commands, and checks results. Browser chat is a normal conversation without file access. Request and response texts are not stored on the service servers. Web chat history stays in your browser, and there are no third-party advertising or analytics trackers. One service provides access to a set of language models through its application programming interface and web chat. Payment and limits are shared between terminal and browser. Open the site, compare the plans, and choose the access that fits your work. Pro is $3 per week, and Premium is $6 per week.